Hello, and welcome to a new video. The mushroom diet is best suited for people who want to lose weight in a relatively short time. The mushroom diet can be a delight because many simple and quick recipes can be cooked. If you want to keep a mushroom diet, you want to give your body the protein benefits, including mushrooms in your daily menu. The mushroom diet will ensure your portion of health. Also, the mushroom diet can give results after 14 days, during which time you will replace one meal a day with mushroom-based dishes. Experts say that after 14 days, you will have a smaller waist and thinner thighs. For the most flexible and easy to make mushroom diet, you can choose any mushroom you want. You can use even more exotic types of mushrooms, such as chanterelle, shiitake, or crimini. You can also combine different varieties for a better taste of the dish. Mushrooms are very low in calories. 200 grams of mushrooms contain only 50 calories, and the essential nutrients found in mushrooms have the role of protecting the body from disease and anemia. Mushrooms contain a lot of water and are low in calories, which makes them ideal in diets. On average, depending on the species, sponges, mushrooms, beetles, the number of calories is between 15 and 25 per 100 grams. In general, dried mushrooms, regardless of variety, contain more calories, around 200-100 grams. They are also called vegetable meat due to the richness of protein. There are studies that claim that they contain more protein than meat, and B-complex vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D, potassium, phosphorus, iron, zinc. The variety of nutrients in the composition makes mushrooms a safe cure for cholesterol in the arteries and an enemy of cardiovascular disease. At the same time, antioxidants help memory problems and acquire a strong immune system. They keep infections away and help quickly recover from illness or quickly alleviate wounds. People with diabetes can eat mushrooms without restrictions, as they stimulate insulin production and help to melt bad fats. To get results in practicing this mushroom diet, you need to cook the mushrooms as simply and with as little fat as possible. It is recommended to avoid preparing mushrooms with sauces or with various garnishes, because you will not lose weight, and the mushroom diet will not work. Also, to keep the number of calories at a meal in the mushroom diet low, you need to eat mushrooms that are as easy to cook as possible. A quick and easy idea to cook and eat mushrooms is to cook the mushrooms with a teaspoon of olive oil and spices, all put in the oven at 400 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, then eat quickly. Mushrooms are important sources of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin B, vitamin B1, riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, pyridoxine, B6, and folacin, folic acid, vitamin B9. Also, mushrooms do not contain any fat, sugar, or salt is beneficial for the body. They are rich sources of antioxidants and have a water content of over 80%. Thus, mushrooms are recommended in diets because they provide satiety without increased caloric intake. Also, a cup of mushrooms provides the body with 50 calories from which it can extract the energy it needs. Thus, mushrooms have proven beneficial in applying diets and are turned into a staple food in diets. To lose weight as fast as possible with the mushroom diet, you need to follow certain tips and follow some essential rules. You have to eat mushroom at least 2 main meals a day. You can diversify them by consuming them either at noon and in the evening or the morning and at noon. You can also cook mushrooms in various forms: baked mushrooms, soap mushrooms, grilled mushrooms, mushroom cream soup, mushroom salad. All of these are effortless and low-fat recipes. The total calories consumed per day is good not to exceed 1700 to 1600 calories in the mushroom diet. You need to give up juices or drinks with acid or sweeteners, floury foods, sugar, pastries, and fast food. You should also consume at least 2 liters of plain water a day. It is good to drink a glass of water and lemon juice every morning to stimulate metabolism and eliminate toxins. At lunch and in the evening, you can consume a cup of green or black tea, beneficial for detoxifying the body. Here's what to eat when eating a mushroom diet. Mushroom diet, in the morning. It is good to drink in the morning, even after waking up, a glass of plain water with lemon juice. After about 30 minutes, you can prepare breakfast, which can be made from a boiled egg, along with a tomato salad with grilled mushrooms and seasoned with a little olive oil and salt. Another option can be made of an omelet with lettuce, tomatoes, and mushrooms, all steamed. As a snack, when following the mushroom diet, it is recommended to eat fruits with low sugar intake, such as kiwi, orange, apple, pear. Mushroom diet, at noon. For lunch, we recommend choosing a fixed time to take it throughout the mushroom diet. You can prepare a mushroom cream soup, which you can eat with croutons. You can also prepare mushrooms in other ways: baked mushrooms, grilled fish with grilled mushrooms, or even a mushroom salad seasoned with tomatoes, cucumbers, and a little low-fat cheese. As a snack, for the mushroom diet, green tea or black tea is recommended after lunch. Mushroom diet, in the evening. For dinner, you should opt for mushroom dishes that are very easy to cook and as simple as possible, to keep their nutrients and caloric values as low as possible. You can prepare salads with a few grilled mushrooms, sauteed mushrooms with onions or garlic, or even baked mushrooms stuffed with a light mixture of vegetables. You can also drink a glass of lemon water or a cup of tea. Following this mushroom diet for 4 weeks or even 14 days will result in fat loss. However, it is recommended to improve your physical condition during the diet by practicing the exercises to have a more visible result and strengthen your muscle mass. You should also avoid eating high-fat meats and dairy products as much as possible. The mushroom diet is recommended for people who want to lose weight. It should be noted that mushrooms will not help you eliminate excess fat on the abdomen without exercise. In other words, the mushroom diet is perfect for improving the body's intake of nutrients and reducing daily calories. To get more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.